Hello guys, today I have the SONOS Era 100 speaker and I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application with your speaker, SONOS Era 100 of course, in your iPhone. The first and the most important thing is that you need to have an iPhone that is compatible with this app. So if you have some iPhone 5s, it's probably not suitable. But let's not focus on that. Open App Store and open search bar. Here you need to type SONOS. Here search. Now here is a chance to have SONOS from SONOS Incorporated. Here you should see Get button. If you tap Get, you need to authorize yourself using either the Apple ID passcode, password, or the Touch ID if you're installing this on the iPad, or the Face ID if you're installing this on your iPhone. I have the cloud icon because I had my application previously downloaded in this device, so don't worry. And now here our application is being installed. Now we need to tap Open and tap Speaker or Component. Here, scroll down, Accept. Continue. Now you need to either create an account for the SONOS or log into your previous account that you had created, but it has to be created. I log in, so wait a moment. Now we need to grant the permissions for our application so that it will work properly. So tap Continue, Allow, tap Continue, Allow while using the app, tap Continue, tap Allow. Here now tap Continue again, tap Allow. Now we are searching for the nearby products, and your speaker needs to be only turned on. It doesn't need to be having frame or something like that. If you have your speaker previously paired with another system, you need to here tap OK, here tap Join System, here tap Done, and now as you can see we are connected. That's how to do it. Goodbye.